With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Statement 1. In an elastic collision between two balls, the total kinetic energy of two bodies does not remain conserved during the collision. And statement 2. As the ball collide, they compress each other. Okay, so yes, this is a true statement. When collision is elastic, then kinetic energy before collision and kinetic energy after collision is same, but during collision, due to force exerted by ball on each other, they compressed each other. In that case, kinetic energy converted into potential energy of balls. So at that time, kinetic energy decreases, and when ball gate is safe regained, then total kinetic energy will be same as initial kinetic energy. So this statement is true, and statement 2 is also true, and statement 2 is a correct explanation for statement 1. So correct option is statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is a correct explanation for statement 1. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.